Soleil Blanc, the perfume Eau De Toilette. Welcome back. You're watching Aciero Amsterdam. Today I'm back again, and today I'm back again with Tomford, and today we are comparing Soleil Blanc, the perfume. So it's an unboxing, but actually I didn't do the unboxing. So it's both an unboxing and like my thoughts about the two, what I think and what it was all about, because I really love Soleil Blanc. I was waiting like for a whole year, but I had other perfumes, so I was like, oh, but I already have Tom Ford, I already have this, so should I really buy it? But every time I smelled that perfume, I was like, I have to have it. But before, you remember the unboxing which we did previously at the beginning of the year, I think a few months ago, it was about perfume from Tom Ford, and that's White Sweat 100 ml. If you didn't see that unboxing, please click over here. I also unboxed a few other products that I bought. It was actually an unboxing, it wasn't any review about the perfume. But this time I have this unboxing. I've already unwrapped the stuff, but today let's show you. These are the two bottles. So this is Soleil Blanc, the perfume, and this is Soleil Blanc, the Eau De Parfum. These two have the same name, but they smell different. So most of you may be wondering what's the difference. And actually I got this in a 30 ml, so I don't want to lie to you that it's a 50 ml, this is a 30 ml. And some people show this and they say it's a 50 ml. No, it's a 30 ml, and this is also a 30 millimeter. So they're all the same in size. Although the prices vary, they don't cost the same money. This is more expensive than this one because I think this is a perfume and this is an Eau De Toilette. But the funny thing is that this came out, I think, in 2016. I think I'm late to the party. This came out in 2018. Still I'm late to the party, but I remember I smelled a sample of this and I mixed it up with something else, and I was so overwhelmed that I was like, I had to have it, but I thought it was White Suede. I think I mixed it up with White Suede long ago, I think last year, and I was like, I really have to have that perfume. But when I went back, because I thought I bought that perfume, and then I ended up buying this one, but I wasn't sure that this was the one I was buying instead of this one. So when I got this one, it smelled so good. So let me show you what's inside. Actually, I got this a few months ago. This is how it comes in this golden beautiful bottle like this, and then you can remove it. It's like 30 ml. You know, this is like how small it is. This small one, 128 euros, smells full and cream and kind of little bit rich. This is the small Eau De Toilette. As you can see, it comes in a transparent bottle. They are all the same size, same everything, apart from the bottle. This is more transparent, and this is just because it's an Eau De Toilette. And this smells more fresh and more citrus. If you like citruses and you like smelling fresh and you like lemon stuff, this is what you get. So when you spray it, it's kind of fresh opening. It's like lemons. I got it for 77 euros. This one, the small one. So when I saw this, I thought it was this one. I was like, huh? It cannot be half the price. But I didn't realize. But when I went to YouTube and watched some other videos, but I was like, oh snap, that was the one I smelled, because when I smelled this 2 years ago, it was just out and I got a sample, and then they told me it was just out and it was Soleil Blanc. I also bought Soleil Blanc, so I thought I was buying this one, but actually it was the Eau De Toilette that I really loved and not this one. And this perfume, I've been wearing this before buying this one, but when I discovered that was the one, so I had to get this because it was kind of half of the price. I was curious to find out exactly why this is half the price, not because it's an Eau De Toilette. And some people are saying they prefer this one and this more stays longer and nicer and fresher. And to me, I just wanted to see the difference. And believe me, I love both. And I'm not telling you don't buy one or the other. This is more affordable. If you don't have money and you're on a budget, it's better you buy this one, because this one, half of the price of this one. So you actually get to save some money if you don't have money. And if you also kind of person who doesn't want something to smell all day and you just want something to, to walk around, going to the supermarket, you're not going to a party wearing heavy perfumes, just go with this one. Believe me, even though this is cheaper, but it's very exotic, very nice, very fresh. It makes you a little bit classy lady, but not all over the place. This one is nice. This needs when you're in your own environment, you're entertaining. It's not for the supermarket. People may get scared of you, but if you're going to work, yes, but the supermarket, you might be overdressed for it. But to me, I don't care. I wear whatever I want. And especially that time of the month, ladies, some of us, we get this thing where we don't want to smell anything that time of the month. I recommend not wearing this one because it really stays long and you smell it immediately. This one is a little bit fresher, so it will go, you won't really get so much out of it, so you can spray this, that, you know. But this is nice, but I feel like you get that kind of thing. I don't know if all of you get it, but I get it. You know, I get that kind of thing when I'm not feeling good by myself. So I don't want to smell anything. I don't want to smell heavy perfumes. I just want something that's light and, you know. And believe me, I have other perfumes. But the also other thing I've realized is with this perfume, if you combine it with white suede, which I did a few years ago, and I didn't know exactly what perfume I was wearing, it gave a really, really good combination. It was smelling with layers, and every hour it changed scent. So if you combine it with white suede, believe me, it will really, really smell good. Although I don't recommend buying two expensive perfumes or buying any two or combining two perfumes, but this is the first time I'm recommending two perfumes. But I'm not telling people who have bought this to go and buy white suede or go buy another perfume to mix it up. For most of you who've never worn Eau De Toilette, it's actually less lasting than the perfume, although this lasts actually longer, less like a perfume. So you don't have to feel like you're wasting your money, because most people say, if I buy the Eau De Toilette, I'm wasting my money. I want the body perfume and I want the oil and I want, yeah, that's all money. If you're on a budget, like on this channel, I tell people how to save money. If you really want to have a classy perfume, go for this one. It's really beautiful, it smells nice, fresh, and also young. But perfume is subjective, as you all know. We need to smell different, we don't need to smell like everyone. So if you're new here, consider subscribing, like this video, comment, and if you're a returning subscriber, thanks a lot, and love you lots. See you in the next video.